do. So, good morning everyone. Today we are going to do the topic nouns. That is the names of person, place, animal and thing. What is noun? Noun is basically the names of person, place, animals and things. And the feelings also. Sometimes we take feelings or an idea as a noun. Okay. Now, let's see in unit 3 and 4 what you are having. The names of peoples, animals, place and things. See, you can see the people, they have a different name. Like Arjun. Arjun has its own name, right? I can call Arjun Vanya or Sanvi. I can call Arjun Vanya or Sanvi. No, I can't. In this way, in the similar way, I can't call Arsh Freya or Freya Ursh because they have their own name. They have their own identity. So person which we are having their own identity is are called nouns, right? Like animals. In animals, we will not say cat. Cat को हम dog नहीं बोलेंगे. We can't say. Can we? No. We can't say dog a cat or cat a dog. They have their particular names, so we have to call with their names, right? We can't call lion. We can't call lion a tiger or tiger a lion. They have their names, so they have to be called by their names, right? Similarly, places. If you are going to school, that means school is a place, garage is a place, church is a place, bridge is a place. We can't say school, a garage or school. No, they have their particular names. In fact, our houses are also having the names. हमारे जो घर होते हैं हम उनका भी नाम रखते हैं. Somebody keep that Ram Villa, Mudit Mansion. Okay, somebody get Gandhi Vilas. So they keep their names so that particularly they can identify the names, identify their houses. Okay, in this way, the places also have their own particular name. The names of things: sofa, mat, painting, table, chair, everything is there, right? So in these things, you can't exchange their names. I can't call sofa a chair, chair or sofa. मैं सोफा को चेयर नहीं बोल सकती हूँ और चेयर को सोफा नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. मैं टेलीविजन को रेडियो नहीं बोल सकती हूँ और रेडियो को टेलीविजन नहीं बोल सकती. I can't change their names because somebody has already kept their names, right? Don't play it, Sanvi. So nouns for the places are school, house, park, hospital, zoo, and many more places are there, like we can say Agra, Jodhpur, Jaipur, Byawar, Delhi. These are also places. Yes, museum. These all are called places. Nouns for the things: table, chair, bag, book, pen, ball, right? Ball, bat, all the toys. These are the things. Okay. McDonald is the name of people or place. People or place. McDonald is the name of people or place. Place. Correct. Which noun is the name of animal? Pen, cat, or hat? You can write it in the chat box. Cat. Right? The car is the name of animal or a thing? Things. Very good. Table is the name of thing or animal? Things. You can say. Okay, now we will do the worksheets. So I will unmute you one by one. and then we will start doing it.
Person or place.
Fish. Fish is a person, place, or a thing.
क्या है? बोलो बोलो फटाफट. Person.
Fish is a person. Fish is a person. Okay. But actually, this is the wrong question. It should be an animal. It can't be person, right? Correct or not?
Animal है ना?
It should be an
Yes.
animal,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. English ID. Okay, then we have next Alokik. Unmute by your side.
Contact language.
Girl is person, place, or a thing.
बताओ ये गर्ल कौन है? पर्सन है, प्लेस या थिंग है? गर्ल नो गर्ल है ना
Girl
बेटा
is
ये.
thing. Are you thing? Are you thing?
पर्सन है मुझे क्या है? तो बोलो ना.
Are
बोलो
you a
person.
thing?
तो बोलो.
Alokik, answer me. Listen to me and answer me. Are you a thing?
आप थिंग हो क्या मैम? पूछ रही है. आप चीज हो? नहीं. तो बोलो ना हमको. नो मैम.
So
I am
you are a
person.
boy. Are you a boy?
I am person.
I am person. Then if you are person, then why girl is not a person?
गर्ल पर्सन है. Yes.
अगर आप person हो तो girl person क्यों नहीं है? क्यों नहीं है? Tell me.
नहीं है ये पास मैं कोई और ही डाले बोले डबल को डाला ही नहीं.
Next. Alokik, why are you unmuted? Arjun, unmute by your side.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Your network connection is not good. School is a person, place, or thing. You can take a screenshot. Thing? Arjun, is it thing? Okay. I can't hear you, Arjun. Please, once again. Place. Correct. Alokik, Arjun, and what? Arav. Arsh, unmute. Arsh. What is umbrella? Ball.
Place.
Arsh. Arjun, I have heard yours. Mute by your side.
It's not a thing.
Arsh Maheshwari, please unmute by your side. Fast.
Good morning ma'am.
Good morning. Umbrella is place,
Umbrella,
person, or a thing.
Umbrella place.
Umbrella is place. You visit umbrella. Do you visit umbrella?
No, ma'am. No,
No, ma'am.
Then how can you say the place?
King.
Yes. Umbrella is thing. Mute by yourself.
Sorry, ma'am.
You should pay attention in the class. What is taught? Why don't you pay attention? See, purse. What is purse, Bhavyansh Chaudhary?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. What is purse? Be quick in unmuting yourself. Person, place, or thing?
King.
Thing, correct. Devansh. Devansh Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Frock is person, place, or thing?
Thing.
Thing. Freya Soni. Owl is person, place, or thing? Or animal?
Ma'am, animal.
Animal. We don't have the option animal over here, but it is animal. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It is animal. Garv Nahata, unmute by your side.
Ma'am.
King is person, place, or thing? Chitransh, unmute by your side.
Person.
Person. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ये doll. Doll. Doll या असली है?
Girl hai. She is a girl.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it's not a toy. It's a girl. Okay. So see, we have all over here also. Bag is person, place, or thing? Garv, after Garv, Garvit, unmute by your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Bag is person, place, or thing?
Ma'am, person.
Bag is
Bag.
person.
Bag.
Bag is person. Bag is person. Can bag grow? Can bag grow? I'm asking you a question. Can bag grow? Bag क्या बढ़ सकता है?
No.
Then
No.
how can you say that is person? Okay. After girl, Gunav, unmute by your side. Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is person, place, or thing?
Person.
Eiffel Tower is
Place.
person.
No place.
वो रोज बढ़ता है क्या? ऊपर बढ़ता ही जा रहा है क्या?
नहीं.
Then
नहीं. Place.
it's a place. Okay, mute by your side. Chitransh, unmute by your side.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Frock is good morning. Frock is person, place, or thing?
Frog क्या है बताओ? Place है thing.
King. King.
Frock is thing. Very good. Mute by your side. Hitarth. Hitarth.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a boy. Boy is person, place, or thing?
Boy is a person, place, or thing.
Person.
Person. So you have to recognize it, not mom. Okay? You have to recognize it. You have to recognize it. Now next we have Karthik Chauhan, unmute by your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, teddy bear is person, place or thing?
Thing.
Thing. Okay. Teddy bear is person, place or thing? Thing. Okay, next, Kavya Jain. Kavya Jain, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Duck is person, place, thing or animal?
Ma'am, person.
Duck is person, place,
Yes,
animal
ma'am.
or thing?
Yes, ma'am.
See, here we have only three options. But duck is person, place, animal or thing?
Thing, ma'am. Name person, ma'am.
It will come in animal category, darling. Right?
Animal, ma'am.
Yes.
Right, ma'am.
Yes. So here we can write animal A. Okay.
Music.
Now after Kavya, Manya Shekhawat, unmute by your side. It's the worksheet from the net, beta. I want to clarify you. That's why I am telling you these are animals. They will not come in persons category. But in this, what we say, worksheet, they have given only three options: person, place, and things. But basically, it comes in animals. Okay. So I want you to make you clear in from the beginning only. अगर हम शुरू से ही क्लियर रहेंगे कि ये एनिमल कैटेगरी में ही आता है देन वी विल डू द राइट थिंग्स ओके
Okay.
यस मानिया बेल इज पर्सन प्लेस और थिंग
Place.
बेल इज प्लेस बेल के अंदर आप घूम के आ सकते हो व्हेन यू गो टू बेल यू कैन climb up and go to bell and you
Animal.
bell is animal. Can you see the picture and tell me bell क्या है? अभी आप बोलोगे person, then you will say place, then you will say thing. देखिए, make it clear. Persons क्या होते हैं? They grow, okay? They can speak, okay? They can speak, they grow, okay? They can think. Animals, they can't speak, but they grow. Place we can visit, जहाँ हम घूमने जा सकते हैं. And things which cannot grow, which cannot do anything, they cannot talk. They are things. In simple way, I am making you understanding this, that the things which cannot grow, they cannot move by themselves, they are only things, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So it is, what is it? It is thing, okay?
Thing.
Yes. Neeraj Daya, unmute my side.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. School is a place, person or a thing?
Place.
Place. Nishant, unmute by side. Dog is person, place or thing? Dog. Dog is
Animal.
animal. Very
Animal.
yes, we will write animal over here. हमने इसकी कैटेगरी ऑलरेडी डिसाइड कर रखी है. This is animal. Very good. Okay. Then after Nitya, unmute by your side. Take a screenshot and practice of this worksheet. Nitya Anandani, are you there?
Yeah.
Kangaroo is person, place, thing or animal.
Yes, ma'am.
Kangaroo is the person, place, thing or animal.
Animal, ma'am.
Animal. Okay. Parts, unmute by your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Girl is person, place or thing.
Person, place or thing.
Person.
It's a person. Yes. Then next, Pihu, unmute by your side. Pihu, unmute by your side.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the next. Big is person, place or thing. Wig is person, place or thing.
Thing.
Thing. Correct. Pranav, unmute by your side.
Zoo place है.
I am not asking about zoo. I am asking about fireman.
Fireman का तो person होता है, place में-
Person.
Fireman is person, place or thing?
Yes.
Person.
Person.
Yes, it's person. Correct. After Priyavardhan. Priyavardhan, unmute by your side.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Zoo is place, person or a thing?
Place. Place.
Place. Zoo is a place. Very good. Now, after this, Ruhan, unmute by your side. Ruhan. Unmute by your side, Ruhan.
Yes.
Tell me, Ruhan.
Yes.
Baker. Baker is a person, place or thing. Which category we will put the name of baker? हम baker का category क्या रखेंगे?
Baker. ये. Baker.
What we will
Things है.
Ma'am, person है.
it will come in person. So we will write over here the name of person with the capital letter B-A-K-E-R. You can repeat the spelling with me. Okay? You can repeat the spelling with me. Baker. Next, after Ruhan, we have Sanvi, unmute by your side. Quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Don't say good morning now. Quickly answer because we have not got much time with us.
C-I-C-I-T-Y city.
City. City is a place, person, or a thing.
Please, ma'am.
It's place. It's city. C-I-T-Y, city. Okay. After that, we have Samarth. Quickly. Samarth, cow.
Cow क्या है? Person, place, animal, thing.
Animal.
Animal. But cow is animal. Sorry. C-O-W, cow. Right? Next, after Samarth, I have Shivanya. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Next picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Globe. What is globe?
ग्लोब क्या है? पर्सन, थिंग और प्लेस. ग्लोब.
Pencil.
ग्लोब पर्सन है.
Is globe person?
Thanks.
Thing. Right.
Thanks.
What is the spelling of globe? G-L-O-B.
O B E.
Globe.
Yellow bee.
Yes. Mute. Tanmay. Tanmay.
यस मैम बोलो तेज.
यस मैम.
Lecturer. Lecturer is a person who gives you a lecture, like a teacher. Teacher, yes? Person.
यस मैम.
So we will write
Person.
spelling. Repeat with me. L
बोलो. ये नहीं ना लिखी हुई ना.
C
मैम के साथ में.
T
LETURER.
R C U R E R. Lecturer. Okay. Lecturer. Nice. Now we have after Tanmay, Vanshika Gandhi. Vanshika. Baseball. Baseball is person, place, or thing.
That is what?
Faster, little faster. Don't leave the class before time.
Ma'am क्यों बता? Place portion that is of concern as it cause extensive damage to the environment. देखो 60 to 70%, 80% तो हो जाता है. बाकी का 20% तो damage.
You don't know? Okay, we will move forward. Don't worry. Don't pay attention in the class that you will not know anything. Just sit and idle in my class. Don't do anything, right?
तो इस पे ध्यान दे ले वरना तेरी
तो
बेटी
मम्मी
को
कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ाती थी.
नहीं पढ़ाएगी वो तुझे बेबी में
Stop it. Mute your side. Vedant, unmute by your side. Fighting, always fighting in the class.
Good morning.
मेरे से ज्यादा एक्टिंग मत कर यहाँ पे इसको लगा.
Vedant, baseball. What is baseball? Good morning, Vedant. Tell me what is baseball?
Baseball is a thing.
What is baseball? Vedant? Baseball is
Ma'am, baseball is thing.
baseball is thing. Good. Wait a minute. I am taking attendance. Okay. After Vrinda, unmute by your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Black buck. Black buck. What is black buck?
Animal.
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 Yes, animal. So Baseball is a thing. We'll write here. B-A-S-E. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Okay, baseball. Then black bug. B-L-A-C-K. Black. B-U. What? B-U-C-K. Buck. C-K. Black buck. Okay. B-U-C-K. Black buck. Then after that we have only this much. Now who will tell? This is clock. Clock is what? Animal, thing, or a place? Unmute Ayush.
No, मैम ग्रैंड ने कराया था.
What? What? I am not able to understand what you're saying. Okay, Brinda, unmute by your side. Why Vanya
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Why Vanya is absent? Do you know why your friend is absent? Is she all right? Or is she sick? What happened, Beta? What happened to your friend?
She is a marriage.
Oh, she has gone in marriage. Okay. I thought she is sick. That's why she's not attending the class. Okay. Rest everyone fine? Okay, mute by your side. Who will tell me the next picture? What is it? Chitransh, unmute by your side. Chitransh Khatri, unmute by your side. Don't eat sharpener in your mouth. Who is doing that? Chitransh, is clock? You were not at your place, I think. Why?
Below.
Is clock place, animal, or a thing?
Clock, place, thing.
Thing.
C-L-O-C-K, clock. Correct.
बताओ spelling.
Hitarth, unmute by your side.
C-L-O-C-K.
Mute.
Clock.
Mute. Okay. Hitarth, fast. We have not much time, only half